During the intense heat of summer, one of the worst things that can happen is your car's air conditioning suddenly stopping. In this video, we'll walk through how to identify a faulty AC pressure switch, a component that often goes unnoticed until it starts causing issues. To begin, let's briefly understand what the AC pressure switch does. Simply put, it monitors the refrigerant pressure and ensures it stays within a safe operating range. In many vehicles, there are either two separate switches, one for high pressure and one for low pressure, or a single combined pressure sensor, depending on the design. The low pressure switch helps prevent the pressure from dropping too low, which can often indicate a refrigerant leak. Running the AC system with low refrigerant can potentially damage the compressor. On the other hand, the high-pressure switch monitors excessive pressure buildup, which may occur due to restrictions or blockages in the system. If the pressure rises beyond safe limits, the system may shut down to prevent potential damage. This protective function is essential in maintaining the health of the AC compressor. To locate the pressure switch, a practical method is to trace the AC lines. Typically, the low-pressure switch is positioned along the larger diameter line before the compressor, while the high-pressure switch is found on the smaller line. However, the exact placement can vary depending on the vehicle. While many switches are located within the engine compartment, they can also be found near components such as the AC condenser, receiver dryer, or along the firewall. Now, let's take a look at the common symptoms of a failing AC pressure switch. Sign number 1, check engine light illuminates. If you suspect an issue with the AC pressure switch, you may encounter diagnostic trouble codes such as P0530, P0531, P0532, or P0533. These codes are related to the AC refrigerant pressure sensor circuit and can be scanned using an OBD tool, often available at local auto parts stores. However, it's important to note that these codes do not always confirm a faulty switch, as wiring issues or sensor faults can also trigger them. Sign number 2, inconsistent air conditioning performance. Under normal operation, the AC compressor cycles on and off to maintain the desired cabin temperature. If the pressure switch begins to fail, the cycling may become irregular, causing the system to turn on and off more frequently than usual. As a result, the AC may struggle to maintain consistent cooling. In some cases, it may work intermittently, leaving the cabin uncomfortably warm. In more severe situations, the AC may not activate at all, resulting in only warm air blowing from the vents. It's worth mentioning that similar symptoms can also be caused by issues such as low refrigerant levels or a failing compressor, so a full inspection is recommended. Sign number 3, compressor clutch not engaging. If the compressor clutch does not engage at all, a faulty pressure switch could be one of the possible causes. The pressure switch plays a role in controlling the activation of the compressor. When it fails, it may prevent the clutch from engaging, which stops the refrigerant from circulating through the system. Without proper refrigerant flow, the AC system cannot produce cold air, leading to warm air coming from the vents. Keep in mind that low refrigerant levels alone can also prevent the compressor from activating. Sign number 4, clicking noise from the engine bay. Another possible symptom is a noticeable clicking sound coming from the engine compartment when the AC system is operating. This sound is typically produced by the compressor clutch engaging and disengaging. If the pressure switch is malfunctioning, it may cause the system to cycle unexpectedly, resulting in repeated clicking noises even without manually turning the AC on and off. While this can indicate a faulty pressure switch, similar noises may also be caused by relay issues or low refrigerant levels. If you've determined that the AC pressure switch is faulty, replacement is usually the next step. Fortunately, the part itself is relatively affordable, typically ranging from $20 to $50, although in some cases it may cost up to $100. In many vehicles, replacing the switch is a straightforward process that can be done with basic tools. However, if you prefer professional assistance, labor costs can range from $30 to $200 depending on how accessible the component is. One common concern is whether refrigerant will escape during the replacement process. In many modern vehicles, check valves are built into the AC system to help prevent refrigerant loss when removing the pressure switch. However, this is not the case for all vehicles, so it's important to verify this for your specific model and proceed with caution. Hopefully, this video has helped you better understand how to identify a faulty AC pressure switch and recognize the symptoms associated with it. With the right diagnosis, you'll be in a better position to fix the issue and restore your car's cooling performance. If you found this information useful, consider supporting the channel so we can continue bringing you more helpful automotive guides.